All right, this is going to be Google Classroom of my online teaching session. This is technically part 3. So yet again, I'm going to go through my stream. I'm just going to walk you through kind of what I do to get these lessons online on Google Classroom. So I start the announcement. Yet again, I'm on February 2nd. It's going to be Groundhog that day. Groundhog Day that day. So I'm just kind of looking at what we're doing on Planbook. And so it says go over questions 1 through 4. So, excuse me. So either they are going over the questions with me face to face, or I'm going to have to schedule a time to meet with them to go over those questions. And then we are doing an activity face to face. And even the online kids will have the same activity to complete. So 1, go over nuclear decay problems with Ms. McCabe. 2, nuclear decay activity. I'm going to specify in class. Control C. Schedule this for February 2nd at 8 a.m. Go to the other classroom I have. Go to the Google Stream. Remember, my physical science is broken up into 2 class periods. Oh, it didn't copy all the way. One. Decay problem. Schedule that for February 2nd. Wednesday, this is National Women's Physician Day. I looked that up. So we're starting here on Wednesday then. Go back to my plan book. So, of course, I have a small radioactivity intro with a ReadWorks article. Oh, I forgot that does not. Watch the video linked down below. Number 2 is read the electromagnetic radiation. Number 3, discuss what is radiation. So down below, I need to insert 2 things. First of all, is this URL. Link. So that's the short little intro video that we watch. And then I also need to attach this electromagnetic radiation ReadWorks article. So I'm going to my Google Drive and find this ReadWorks article that we are going to read and cover in class. So I'm going to do this one. Notice I converted it from a PDF to a Google Doc since the kids are online. All ReadWorks articles have an article and then like 10 questions that they have to answer at the end of the article. So I converted it from PDF to a Google Doc. And then I'm literally going to do the same thing for my second physical science class. Nope, I wanted to insert the link first. That's my mistake. So first I need to copy this link over that's still on my clipboard. Then I can come over here, copy and paste the words that I have put for that day. And then I need to add that article from the Google Drive. There we go. It's the Google Doc version. Insert. And now I just need to schedule, because it's not till next week. So this was for February 3rd at 8 a.m. Schedule that. Schedule for February 3rd. And then I go up here to that article because I do not want the kids to edit it. At least my copy. They'll have to make a copy of their own to edit. And so I just change my sharing. So where it hit share, and it automatically puts them as editor, and that's not what you want. You want viewer. So they can only look at your copy, but not change your copy. Give it a minute to load. So I'm changing these to viewer and viewer. Save. Now, when they look at it, they cannot edit it. So what I tell them to do is either they can highlight all the words and put it in a new document, or an easier version is they can come up here to File and make a copy. Once they hit File, make a copy, it will automatically make their own copy that they can edit. Okay, so I'm going to exit out of that. Now, for the homework that night, we have 9.1 section review. That is from their PDF. That is their online textbook. So I come up here to classwork, create their assignment. And they are doing 9.1. Oops, not 9.2. Come on. Section review. And it is not out of 100 points. It is out of 5 points. That due date is going to be the day after the 3rd, which makes it the 4th. So it'll be due the 4th. And all my assignments, I make them do at 11:59 since the kids all are one-to-one. And I do not want them to actually hand in a paper copy. They can if they want, but I don't have them do that. So they can submit it up to 11:59 on the 4th. And I schedule it for the 3rd, February 3rd at 8 a.m. So it'll post on their stream same day, February 3rd at 8 a.m. as the lesson. I'm going to go ahead and come over here and do it to this one as well, since I teach 2 class periods of physical science. Create, assign, 9.1 section review. It's only out of 5 points. This will also be due on the 4th. And I'm going to schedule it for the 3rd at 8 a.m. Schedule. Okay. So that's pretty much how I go about doing my lessons and posting assignments onto Google Classroom. So that summarizes part 3 of this session.